Welcome to the Process Vault. As lead analyst, I'm proud to show you how we're revolutionizing workflow automation in this facility. There it is. Look at that tiny head poking through. Absolutely stunning. Here at the Process Vault, we are thrilled to show you this stunning example of a juvenile crocodile, perfectly preserved for generations to come. Welcome to the future of water purification. As you can see, our closed-loop system ensures maximum efficiency.
Welcome to the Biosecure Incubation Vault. As you can see, the environment is perfectly controlled for the process.
Acknowledged. Keep monitoring the fluctuations.
Interface, allowing for unprecedented levels of accuracy.
Welcome everyone to the Neon Nursery. This is where we cultivate the future of biodiversity here in the Process Vault.
We're excited to report an average length of 25 centimeters. As you can see on the graph, the growth rate remains optimal.
The infrared shows elevated temps here, indicating high activity in tank 4.
Yeah. So the new feeding schedule is working as expected.
Iglis. Using this AR overlay, we can monitor the caiman's vital signs in real time. Look, the heart rate is steady at 45 beats. Absolutely incredible. As you can see, the head alone is massive. This is the jewel of the Process Vault, the legendary white crocodile. The diet here in the vault is precisely calibrated. We are now administering the high-protein supplement directly into the main pool. This life-size hologram really highlights the unique bone density of the crocodile, particularly noticeable here in the femur and the skull.
Welcome to the Process Vault Processing Hall. Please come inside and witness the future of industrial synthesis.
Look at the scale of this beast. They call it a saltwater crocodile, but I call it a monster. Its head alone is twice my size.
AI mapping station. Scanning initiated. Real-time biometric feed. Analyzing optimal cut lines. Optimal.
As you can see, the AI precision is 99.9%, and we guarantee 0% pain reception.
A view of the sterilization tunnel. The giant meat sections move through a tunnel glowing with UVC light to kill.
The homogenization process is complete. Now the hide is ready for the tanning room.
And this, extracted directly from the diamond infusion chamber, is the key to limitless energy. Its value is simply immeasurable.
Look at the dramatic difference. On the left, the raw skin is flat and lifeless. But on the right,
Welcome to the Luxury Design Atelier. Here, our master craftsmen and advanced robotics.
And here you can see the interior lining, featuring our signature woven pattern, the Process Vault.
As you can see, the texture is incredible. It is both rugged and surprisingly soft due to the specialized tanning process.
And here it is, the pinnacle of luxury.
As you can see, this is a very exclusive albino diamond edition. The price, as shown here, is $2.55 million.
Here we see the product and its magnificent source. This handbag represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship and natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the blue. See you again soon.